Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I did this jar a few years ago, and it's another one of those that I really wasn't happy with when I made. I'm perfectly fine with what I made, just not the painting. So I thought we would do it up today. I'm not gonna paint the stone, although I'm sure it's just pickle jar sealed. Yeah, but I can't do it. It's not sealed shut, I can see that, but it's pickle jar sealed. Decisions. I'm just gonna go over it, glitter and all. It'll just add texture, and we're gonna bring some of that back anyway, so. Now in here in the infield, so to speak, I'm gonna give it a pouncing. And we're probably going to have to do 2 coats, so it'll get pounced on a couple of times. Okay, like I said, I'm just gonna paint the whole thing black for right now. Okay, this time I'm gonna start with, this is the Treasure Gold by Folk Art, and this one is the Green Gold. Okay, now once again, I'm going to give it that on the background all over. Okay, sorry about that. I just did a little bit of blending in the shadowy kind of areas. Aquamarine, folk art. Alright. I'm liking that so far. I'm going to get out the blue quartz. I'm going to do the waves with that. I don't know why these... still have that nasty paper. Now, I'm going to try and remember there's still glitter inside these little areas, so I don't really want to cover them up. I do want to go all around them though. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go around these, and I may do 2 coats. Okay, now I'm going to take the Prima metallic wax in the white gold. And I'm just gonna go over the little cherub guy. I think that's what it's called. Okay, but like these other seashells and stuff, I'm gonna give them a coat, an undercoat of silver. In other words, that's probably not the color they're gonna wind up being. Just something to start with. Now, that's not to say they won't be silver. Some of these are a little bit more difficult, but we'll get through it. I may go ahead and leave that bowl part. Yeah. Okay, and I'm also gonna go hit some of these waves with the silver. Now the wave tips are gonna have white on them, so I don't need to worry about those. And then the top. Same thing, I'm gonna hit these wavy top parts. Okay. Now, I'm going to think on it a minute, and then I'm going to come back and put some more. Frank Garcia Memory Hardware Artisan Powder. And this one is the Viceroy Black. Just gonna add a little bit of shadow. To some of these areas. before we're going to come back with our final bit of, it'll be some white acrylic. Okay, something just like that. I'm gonna finish the rest of it and I'll be back. Okay, now all I did was everywhere that I had roughened it up to make for a wave, how can I spit that out? I put white acrylic paint and then I went over it with the white pearl metallic wax. Okay, so I did that on all of the wave tips. Okay, a little bit on top of that shell there. The wave tips, and then right around there, I'm gonna put some pearls. We're gonna go through and get some of my pearls and put some pearls in some strategic places. Okay, but I'm going to come back after I put all this other color up. I'm going to come back and we're going to see whether I've got a glitter mix, a mermaidy kind of glitter mix, or whether we'll have to mix one or not. That and pearls. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, these are the Frank Garcia Memory Hardware pearls, and this set in particular is the gilded set. Aquas, blues, gold, and pearl. So I put the majority of them on and just left this last three. Glue gun. When you're picking a glue gun, pick a glue gun that has specific glue sticks to that glue gun, because this one in particular, that really makes a difference. The Sure Bonder glue sticks definitely work better than just let's say the Walmart glue sticks. Yeah, it's a night and day difference as to how, and it'll shut off, and that glue stick won't melt through the tip, and then after a few minutes it kicks back on, then it works alright, and then it'll cut off again. It's really weird. So Sure Bonder glue sticks with this Sure Bonder glue gun, no matter what brand your glue gun is, just use the glue sticks that go with it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, now we've done all of that. Okay, now all that's left is to put the glitter on. So I'm gonna pick a color of glitter. I need to get these glue strings. Alright, I'll be back with the glitter. Okay, this is the Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue. These are chunky glitter. And this is the blue. So specific. Okay. That's why I chose this one, because it is an opalescent, which means that it's on a translucent glitter base as opposed to a metallic or a opaque glitter base, if that makes sense. Now I'm just gonna put it where I think it should go. Okay, just to start. Okay, there is just a start. I'm going to do the rest of the jar, and I'll be back to show you the finished